Good morning, students. We are going to start the new topic. Today we will see that to solve the problem on inverse variations. There are two kinds of variation. We yesterday spoke about the direct variation. If one quantity is increasing, other also increasing, is called the direct variation. If one quantity is decreasing, the other is increasing, so it's called inverse variation. So I have one example for you. You can see here he says in the question that V is inversely proportional to the square of t. This is very important to look at this word square of t. Many students they make a mistake, they write t. So you should take care of the words given here. And now the next information given to us is when V equals to 28, t equals to 2.5. So first of all, you must know that whenever it is written for you, V is inversely proportional to the square of t, it means that V is inversely proportional to 1 over t square. For directly proportional, you just write t square, but here you should write 1 over t square. When you remove the constant of proportionality, so you write the equation again, V equals to k over t square. Now go for the given information. V is 28 while t equals to 2.5. So just replace V with 28 and k same and over 2.5 square. Now to find k, you just cross multiply this 2.5 square, which is 6.25, with 28, and the answer would be 175. So you need to write the equation again. So V equals to 175 over t square. Now look, first he says that express V in terms of t. So it means that you should give this equation as the answer, like V equals to 175 over t square. Now look at the next question. Next question he says that work out the value of V when t equals to 6.25. So same equation you take which you formed in the previous part, which is V equals to 175 over t square. In this equation you replace t with 6.25. Already square is there. So when you put it in the calculator, you can use directly calculator and write this answer. But if you want to show the step, you write 175 over 39.0625. This is the all calculator display I wrote here. Now V is 4.48. Now look at the last question here. He said work out the value of t when V equals to 7. So in this case, what we have to do, we have to rearrange this formula and we take t square in place of V and cross multiply V in place of t square. Now the formula will take the shape t square equals to 175 over V square. Now we have the value of V, which is 7. So replace 7 in this equation. You got 175 over 7, which gives you t square equals to 25. So to remove the square, we must put plus minus root 25. So t equals to plus minus 5. So take care, this t is not the time. If he gives is a time here in the question, then we write only the positive answer. So I hope that you would have understand this. Now you can apply the concepts. I had uploaded the worksheet for you. I'll be waiting for your feedback. Thank you very much.